Hello learners, welcome back for the new video. In this video, we will design aerated lagoon. Design a aerated lagoon for the following data. First, raw sewage flow is 20 mld. Quantity of flow is given 20 mld. Raw sewage BOD 200 mg per liter. Then desired BOD5 20 mg per liter. This is the value of S naught and this is the value of S. Then kinetic constant are given. Yield coefficient is given 0.6. Kd decay constant is given 0.1 per day, and also small f value is given 0.68. okay. Then hydraulic retention time is equal to 6 days. Then solid retention time is equal to 10 days. HRT is 6 days, theta c is 10 days. Then depth is equal to 2 meter, length to width ratio is 3 meter. Then we have to design the aerated lagoon, and we have to find the values of volume and dimension of the aerated lagoon and oxygen requirement for the aerated lagoon. So let's start. First we will write the given data. Q is given as 20 mld. 20 mld means 10 raised to 6 liter per day. 20 into 10 raised to 6. 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per day. Therefore quantity of flow is 20 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Then what is given? Raw sewage BOD S naught is given 200 mg per liter. Desired effluent BOD is given as 20 mg per liter. That means capital S value is 20 mg per liter. And we know that the conversion of milligram per liter into kg per day is simply we have to multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3. So S naught 200 mg per liter is equal to 0.2 kg per meter cube, and 20 mg per liter is 0.02 kg per meter cube. Okay. Then again kinetic constants values are given. Capital Y, yield coefficient 0.6, Kd is given 0.1 per day, small f is given 0.68. Then next HRT is given. Hydraulic retention time 6 days. Theta c is given. SRT solid retention time 10 days. Depth is given as 2 meter, and L by W ratio is given as 3. Okay. Now let's start the actual design part. First we have to find the volume, and we know that the volume can be computed by using two formula. One formula is solid retention time, that is theta c, and other formula is hydraulic retention time. But solid retention time formula is too much hectic, that's why we will not use that formula. So let's use the hydraulic retention time formula. Detention time or hydraulic retention time is equal to volume upon flow rate. Therefore volume is equal to HRT, hydraulic retention time, into flow rate Q. HRT is given as 6 days. HRT is 6 days, and hydraulic and flow rate is 20 into 10 raised to 3. 20 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. You will get the value of volume as 120 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube. 120 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Then next we have to find the dimension of aerated lagoon. That means we need to find the length, width and the depth of the aerated lagoon. So or depth is already given, that's why depth is 2 meter, that's why we have to find only length and width. Therefore volume is equal to area into depth. So area is equal to volume upon depth. Volume is 120 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Depth is 2 meter. Therefore area is 60 into 10 raised to 3 meter square. Area is 60 into 10 raised to 3 meter square. Okay. Then L by width ratio is given as 3. Therefore length is equal to thrice W. Area is equal to length into width. Length is 3W into W is equal to 3W square. Therefore area is 60 into 10 raised to 3 meter square is equal to 3W square. After solving this, you will get the value of width as 141.42. Therefore length 3 times W, 3 into 141.42 meter, that is length is equal to 424.26 meter. Okay. Now we have find the dimension of the aerated lagoon, that means volume, area, length, width. Now find the oxygen requirement. So second is oxygen requirement. We know that the formula for O2 requirement is Q into S naught minus S upon small f minus 1.42 into Q into Q x into V, x into V upon theta c. Formula is oxygen requirement formula is Q into S naught minus S upon f small f minus 1.42 into x into V upon theta z, or QW into x upon theta c. Okay. Or this formula value of f is 0.68 or 1 by 68. 1 upon 0.68 is nothing but 1.47 Q into S naught minus S minus 1.42 x into V upon theta c. Both the formulas same. Many times or in activated sludge process we have used this formula 1.47 Q into S naught minus S minus 1.42 x into V upon theta c, or this formula is also correct. In that case you have to the value of f is given in the problem. Okay, so we will use this formula, or let's see what are the values are given. Q value is given, S naught value is given, S value is also given, then x value is not given, volume is volume we have calculated, then theta c is given. That means we need first to find the oxygen requirement for the aerated lagoon. First we need to calculate the value of x. X value can be computed by using theta c formula or solid retention time formula. Theta c is equal to x into V into 1 plus kd theta c upon y into q into s naught minus s. Okay, this is the formula for determining x. Well, let's see what is what are the values given in the numerical. Theta is given, capital Y is given, q is given, s naught s are given, kd is given, theta c is given, and volume we have computed. Okay, so let's find the value of x in terms of all these parameter. X is equal to theta c into y into q into s naught minus s divided by v into 1 plus kd theta c. So let's put all this value. Theta c is given as 10 days into yield capital Y. Yield coefficient is given as 0.6. Flow rate Q is 20 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Into S naught value is 200, that means 0.2 kg per meter cube, and S value is 0.02 kg per meter cube. Divide by volume. Volume is value of V 120 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Into 1 plus kd value 0.1 per day into theta c value is 10 days. Let's see the unit cancellation. Per day will get cancelled, meter cube will get cancelled, per day will get cancelled, remaining will be in the numerator, that is kg, and in the denominator is meter cube. The value of x in terms of kg per meter cube is 0.1125 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is the value of x. MLSS concentration is 0.1125 kg per meter cube. Now let's find the oxygen requirement. Oxygen requirement is equal to 1.47 q into s naught minus s minus 1.42 into x into v upon theta c. Okay, 1.47 into q value is 20 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. S naught minus s naught is 0.2, s 0.02 kg per meter cube minus 1.42 into x value is 0.1125 kg per meter cube into volume is 120 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube divided by theta c value is 10 days. Okay, after solving this you will get the value of oxygen. You will get the value of oxygen required as 3375 kg per day. This is the oxygen required. This is the design of aerated lagoon. Thank you.